So we're ready to make our circuit. I wanted to zoom in a bit on this board because it's really hard to see the screens of the pins, but I wanted to show you which pins we're going to use. And once you identify the first pin, the other two are directly beside it, so you can figure it out from there. I've just taped down my wires so we can see better on this. But what we're looking for is pin 7. And if you see the way the screen works, the pin number is after the pin. So we're looking for 7, 6, and 5. And those line up with these 3 bars. In your circuit, you're provided with 4 10K ohm resistors. You only need 3. The 4th is for the toggle version. So you can take one of those resistors away and you are left with the 3. What you need to do is connect those 3 pins to ground with the 10K ohm resistor, and you want to leave space for the switch. So you put one end of the resistor into the ground rail, which it's a little harder to do when you're trying to watch the video at the same time as, so, oh my gosh. One end into the ground rail and one end into the pin. There you go. And that's 7. Same for 6. And the same for 5. So, double checking, you have resistors in 7, 6, and 5, 5, 6, 7. Those connect to the pins and the ground rail, and what that does is it pulls that pin low, okay? Then you want to take your arcade button and using the switch wires, I'm going to zoom out. So we have our 3 switches, and for this project, the window pin, the X is window, is connected to 7. So you want to take your switch wires, you connect one switch wire to the 5-volt line, and the other you connect it to the pin, like that. And we're going to choose the mute pin is 6, so mute in this case refers to the microphone. Again, find your switch wires, connect to 5-volt, and connect to the pin right beside it. And last but not least is the camera mute. You find your switch wires, connect to 5-volt, connect to the pin. And that's your circuit. We can connect the LED pins too, but we're going to move into Arduino for the next part.